Today we are going to unbox this Olight Oclip Pro S. Brand sent me to make video for you guys. This has July 4th Independence Day theme. As you can see, it has really nice cool flag on the top, and once you open your package you will be able to see this is what you are going to get. You can see you have some instruction you would need to read through, and this comes as lock. So once you take it out, you have to press and hold. That's what it says. And once you take it out, and it seems you have a cable over here, and you can see this is, as the name suggests, it is for clip. You can see it has nice clip. It will just hold really nicely, and you can see you have easy turn knobs, as this is flagship for Olight. They have this really cool switch over here, and this has RGB colors. So in order to cycle through, you gotta double press the color. So once you press and hold, you can see this is red. In order to change, you will double click and it will cycle through as you click. So once you have the desired color, you will just press and hold. It will change the brightness. You can see it will also, if you just press, it will just close. So you can see you have the brightness. You just press and hold, double click, you will change the blue light. And it also has a built-in UV light. I absolutely love this feature. This allow you to see a bunch of things that you don't usually see, especially when you head to the bathroom. You gotta be surprised. You might think that you have clean bathroom, but once you use this, you will have different opinion. So, and it has the regular light. You can see really nice, very bright. I'm gonna go outside and demonstrate you guys how bright this is, but I just wanted to show you guys. And this has based on the manual, you can see you will be able to use this, and it has 80-meter reach distance, and you can see it has only like 53 gram, and including the battery, and you have 580 milliamp battery. So that is really nice, very cool. It just like pocket size. You can easily carry this anywhere you are going, so it won't take any space in your pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm just gonna turn off the light, show around, and show the bathroom, especially with the UV light, and then head out to the backyard. So as you guys can see, I am using the mini clip. You can see this is absolutely amazing. Once you activate it, you look at this, you get lots of brightness inside the dark space. You can see uh, this is the highest. You can see this is the lowest, and this is nothing. So if you press and hold, you will see it will change the mode. So you can easily also turn the knob. So let's see, this is the UV light. So you press and you can see, look at this, it's so really nice. You can easily identify stuff with this. I really like this blue light feature. Look at this. Normally I don't see those small white stuff, but with this light I'm able to see what's going on. You can see I'm gonna go ahead and head to the bathroom. So let's see how bad the situation around here. You can see I don't see those stuff without the blue light. I can see that's not really clean. So look at those spots, they are not there without the blue light. So really nice, very cool looking. You can see, let's see over there, I see some spots over there, some over there. So this is really nice. You can see you can easily identify, and if it's too bright you can press and hold. It will change the brightness as like this. Press and hold, it will just activate. So really nice. And if you want to see the different color of the RGB. You can see this is regular blue light, it's not the UV light, so you don't really see the difference. So you double press, you can see you have the red light, and you can see this is the brightness. You have two brightness option with the RGBs. You can see this is the green, again this is the low, this is the high. Double click again, double click again, it just, you can cycle through. So really nice, very cool. Maybe I will just head out in the backyard and show you guys how far I can see with it. This is the current lighting outside right now. As you can see, I just activated the red light, and once I go on the full settings, you can see this is how much we can just see around. So that is really nice. If I just double click, I will get the red light, and I just press and hold. You can see it is the lower setting right now. This is what we are seeing. You press and hold, that just changes everything. So you double click, you get the blue light just like that. This is not the UV, this is just the blue light RGB color. And again, you press and hold, it will change. So really nice, very cool. So once we switch to the regular light, you can see this is the moonlight. You can barely see the distance, but from close up you can easily just use this if you are just going to read or just look something close. And this gives you the maximum of the hours that you can utilize this light. You press and hold, you get the medium. You can see we have this, and you press and hold, voila, you have really nice, very cool, bright. This is for the price point, and the size of the light is just insane. I don't understand how they are able to pack all this feature inside this tiny unit. It's amazing. You can see you are easily able to see what is going on around you with just this small clip light. And if we turn on the UE, so let's see if I can find anything to show you guys around here. We need something white or some other stuff. Now actually we have a uh, bird over there. It is you can see that is a red color flamingo. You can see, you can easily identify it with this light. Without it, it's not really visible, but with this you can see it just brightens up. So really nice, very cool. You can easily like switch between different operation mode with just the thumb. So just like that, I'm able to see. And look at that, even I'm able to see the tree over there. It just works really nice, very effective. I can just come out and check my beautiful garden. So overall, really nice, very cool product. I hope you guys found this useful.